Hey guys, welcome back to the outstanding video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss if you're unable to verify your identity on Cash App. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, you may just open your App Store and in search bar you may write here Cash App and you make sure that you have latest and updated version of Cash App. If you're not latest and updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys, you may go back and open settings. And guys, if you have any VPN, so if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may go back. So you may just open settings and guys here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then guys you may go back and you may just open your Cash App and so click here and you may log in with your account. So first of all guys you will make sure that you are the resident of USA or UK. If you are not resident, then guys you will not be able to verify your identity. But if you are resident of UK or USA, then guys here's the option of verify your identity. So you may click here and you may click here on personal info and you may submit all your documents and you may check your identity will be completely verified. But if you are unable to verify, then guys you may click here on your profile icon and now you may scroll it down and here is the option of support. So you may click here and guys here is the option of chat. So you may click here and you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and after some verification Cash App support team will fix your problem and you can easily verify your identity on Cash App. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.